Does this look familiar? You try to parallel park, turn the wheel, and you hit the pole. Next time, you miss the poles, but your back wheel goes over the curb. Or you try to stay extra safe and stop so far from the curb that the examiner has to fail you. If that's you, you're not alone. Parallel parking is one of the biggest challenges in the road test. Hi everyone, welcome to Road Test Coach. Today, I'm going to show you a simple method to parallel park during the road test. With this method, you will know when to turn, when to straighten, and how to finish with a clean, confident parallel park. We will keep it slow, clear, and beginner-friendly, so you can copy the steps in your own practice and use them on your next road test. You start from a position behind the post, turn on left signal, and do a left shoulder check for cross traffic, pedestrians, and cyclists nearby. When it's safe, release the brake gently and drive forward slowly. Turn off the left signal, drive in a straight line past the post. Try to stay about 2 to 3 feet away from the post. Stop when your side mirror lines up with first pole. Shift into reverse. Turn on white signal early to tell people that you're going to parallel park here. Do a 360 check before you back up. That means left shoulder check, left mirror, rear view mirror, right shoulder check. Make sure there's no cars, pedestrians, or cyclists close by. When it's safe, take your foot off the brake gently and reverse slowly. As you move back, look for right rear passenger window. When pole 2 appears just before the center of the back passenger side window on the right side. Now stop. Turn the steering wheel all the way to the right. Continue to reverse slowly. Your car will start to move backwards into the space. Keep reversing slowly with your wheel fully right, while looking at your left mirror. When you see pole 3 and pole 4 in your left mirror, stop again. Turn your steering wheel back to straight. Always look around and stay aware. If there's any crossing traffic, pedestrians, or cyclists, you must stop and wait for them to pass. When it's safe, reverse straight back slowly. When pole 2 just passed front passenger corner post, stop one more time. Turn steering wheel all the way to the left, then continue to reverse slowly. As you do this final reverse, sit tall and look at right mirror. If you see right rear tire is getting very close to the curb, stop, hold the brake, shift to drive. Turn steering wheel all the way to the right and move forward slowly to straight the car and create a safe space from the curb. As you do this final reverse, watch for holes at the back through back camera or shoulder check. If it's too close, shift to drive and adjust it as needed. Your car will swing in and become parallel with the curb within about 18 inches. You can move forward or backward a little to center yourself in the box. Then shift to parking. That tells the examiner I'm finished. When the examiner tells you to pull out and continue, if you don't have enough space in front of you, you can reverse a tiny bit to create more space. When you have enough space, shift to drive, left signal, and left shoulder check. Turn the steering wheel all the way to the left. When safe, roll out slowly. When pole 2 passes right corner post, straighten steering wheel and drive away. Quick recap before we finish. Step 1. Start from behind the post. Move forward slowly, signal right. Stay about 2 to 3 feet away and stop when side mirror lines up with first pole. Step 2. Shift to reverse. Do a full 360 check, then reverse slowly until pole 2 is just before the center of the back right window. Stop and turn the steering wheel all the way to the right. Step 3. Watch left mirror. When you see pole 3 and 4, stop and straighten the wheel. Reverse straight. Step 4. When pole 2 passes the front passenger corner post, turn the steering wheel all the way to the left and finish straight and close to the curb. A quick reminder, these reference points can change depending on your car size and the parking space. So when you practice, adjust them to fit your own car. If right rear tire looks very close to the curb in the left mirror, stop, go to drive, turn right, move forward to straighten, adjust if needed. Keep practicing it this way and your confidence will grow very quickly. If this video helped you understand parallel parking with the pole setup, please like the video, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which part of the road test you are most worried about. I'll be making more videos with road test tips, including lane change and common fails. So make sure to subscribe and keep following along. Thank you for watching and I will see you in next video.